So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can uninstall apps from your iPhone 16. So first of all, long press on the app that you want to uninstall. For example, I want to uninstall this word. So I will long press on it, like this. Now, this will open this menu. Tap on Remove App. Now you will get three options: Delete app, Remove from home screen, and Cancel. If you select Cancel, then this will cancel this action. If you select Remove from home screen, then this will remove the app from the home screen, but the app won't be uninstalled. To uninstall the app, select Delete app. Tap on Delete, and this will uninstall the app from your iPhone. So this is how you can uninstall apps from iPhone 16. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.